Art reflects life, and I believe art is for everyone to express. So here I am, Pushpanjali, to share some of the drawing and painting techniques I know. Welcome to my channel, Art and Palette. We need to preserve our paintings so as to save our effort in doing them. Hello everyone, I'm Pushpanjali and welcome to my channel, Art and Palette. Today I'm going to discuss about how we should go about preserving our painting. The isolation coat will protect our paintings by creating a sealed surface. Colored wash and stains can contain fewer pigments in the binder. So these areas of our painting will be extremely fragile, and eventually these areas might be prone to color lifting. To avoid color lifting or decoloration, we should apply isolation coat. If you're planning to varnish your paintings and in some later point of time you need to remove the varnish, then isolation coat will protect your painting from further damage. Also, in humid places, isolation coat will protect it from fungus. So there are three kinds of isolation coat: glossy, matte and satin. Glossy gives you a crystal clear appearance. It is the least disruptive to the appearance of color on your painting. So if you want your painting to be as vibrant as you created it, then go for glossy. Matte isolation coat will slightly dull the vibrancy of your painting. And successive layers of matte will make your painting look foggy. I personally prefer golden isolation coat. It is a clear glossy barrier applied on top of acrylics. So how do we go about applying an isolation coat? There are 5 steps we should keep in mind. Firstly, we should do it very consciously, carefully and quickly. Secondly, the painting should be fully dry. We should ensure that the painting is complete. Make sure that you have signed your painting. It should be dust-free. If not, clean it with a clean cloth. Apply only one layer of isolation coat. We should use a wide, clean brush and apply from side to side, either from left to right or right to left. Thank you everyone for supporting me in this journey. If you find my tutorials useful, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned until next weekend for more such interesting stuff. Take care, bye, have a good weekend.